Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy. Or today we are making chicken recipe with herb rice. It's not green Thai chicken. Water 2 cups, salt half pinch, broccoli 250 grams, boiled for 5 minutes on medium heat. Make fine paste. Oil 2 tablespoons, boneless chicken 200 grams, salt as per taste, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, onion powder 1 tablespoon optional. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat until it changes color. Chicken is ready. Oil 1 tablespoon, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, green Thai paste 1 tablespoon optional, broccoli paste. Mix everything. Water half cup, coconut milk half cup. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, herb rice oil 2 tablespoon, garlic chopped 2 tablespoon, white spring onion. Saute for 2 minutes. Mexican Italian powder half tablespoon. Mixed herbs half tablespoon. Now add boiled rice 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Green garlic, spring onion on top. Red chilli flakes optional. Curry is ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.